Okay, for this question, we're asked to calculate the sine of 35, the cos of 99, and the tan of 36. I'm going to show you an app here. It's called the Desmos Scientific Calculator. This is an excellent scientific calculator. It's available for download for free on your phone. The default phone app, I'm not a big fan. It's a little tricky to use. Downloading this calculator will save you all kinds of headaches throughout the course. So I really suggest it to show you how it works for trigonometry. Sine, cos, and tan are right there on the calculator, and we need to find the sine of 35. So I type in the question as I see it on my page, which is not like the phone apps. The phone apps, you have to go backwards. You have to put 35 and then press sine. Here I type sine, I press 35. Close the bracket, press enter. There's my answer, 0.573. I would round this off to 0.5736, and that's what I would record. You don't need to write down every single decimal place. We normally deal with angles that are less than 90 degrees, but there are angles that are larger than 90 degrees, of course. For example, 99. If I wanted to find out what the cos of 99 is, I can just simply go cos 99. There is an answer. In this case, it happens to be a negative number, but that's okay. You just record it as negative 0.1564. And the last example that we have in this question is what's the tan of 36? So again, I need to press enter still. Again, the order that I see it in the question, I press tan, and then I say 36 because that's my question, and I close the bracket, I press enter. The tan of 36 is 0.7265. Something important to note is that we talked about in class is that there are two different measures for angles. There's degrees, that's the mode this calculator is in right now, and there are radians. And it's really easy to accidentally throw your calculator into the wrong mode. On Desmos Scientific, it's very obvious which mode you're in because it covers up the other one, but your calculator may slip in the wrong mode. And how are you going to know? My suggestion to you is, okay, I'm in degrees mode right now. If I test that out, tan of 45 degrees is 1. But for radians, that's not true. If I do the tan of 45 in radians, I get something terrible. You'll notice here on Desmos Scientific, it's actually switched all my previous answers into radians too. If you're finding yourself getting trig questions wrong and you're really not sure, you think you're doing everything right, and for some reason you're still getting wrong answers, especially really weird answers, that could be your issue. And a good quick way to check is to just see, okay, is the tan of 45 equal to 1 on my calculator, or is the tan of 45 equal to 1.6, blah, 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 whatever it was. If it's anything other than 1, your calculator's in the wrong mode.